In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependents in TurboTax, a crucial step if you're looking to maximize your tax return and ensure all your family members are accurately reported. Adding a dependent is straightforward and can significantly impact your tax filing status and potential returns. So let's get started with the process to make sure everything is set up correctly. First, we need to head over to the official TurboTax website. Open your web browser and go to TurboTax's homepage. It's important to ensure you are on the official site, especially when dealing with sensitive tax information. You'll find the Sign In option prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on Sign In to access your account. You may be prompted to enter your login credentials if you're not already logged in. Ensure you keep these details private and secure, as they provide access to your personal tax information. Once you're logged in, navigate to the TurboTax home screen. Here you'll find various options related to your tax returns. Look for the My Info section, as this is where personal details about you and your dependents are managed. Clicking on My Info will take you to a page where you can add or edit personal information. Now you should see an option labelled Add a Dependent. Click on this option to begin the process of adding dependent information. It's vital to gather all the necessary details beforehand, such as birth dates, social security numbers, and the relationship of the dependent to you. This preparation will ensure the process goes smoothly without any hitches. When you click Add a Dependent, TurboTax will present you with several categories to choose from based on the type of dependent. If you're adding a child, click on the My Child option. TurboTax is designed to guide you through this process with easy to follow prompts and inputs. Finally, click Continue to proceed to the next step after entering all required information about your dependent. As you continue, TurboTax will walk you through any additional questions necessary to complete the dependent setup. Remember, the accuracy of this information is crucial because it affects tax credits and potential deductions you might be eligible for, like the child tax credit or earned income credit. Once all the steps are completed, you will have successfully added a dependent to your TurboTax profile. This proactive step can significantly influence your tax liabilities and refunds, making it an essential part of tax preparation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check other TurboTax tips for a smooth tax season.